Welcome ulit sa aking YouTube channel. And for today's video, very short vlog, I just want to share with you guys that I finally have this Barbie from the movie Barbie or from the Barbie the movie. Yung Barbie the movie, actually I had not seen it yet. I'm hoping that the Barbie the movie DVD will be like maybe I'm waiting for it to go less than $10 so that I can it will be affordable enough for me to buy it, and I will add it in my DVD collection. So I'm definitely gonna watch that movie, but yeah, I don't know, I wasn't crazy when the Barbie the movie came out in the theater. I wasn't really crazy. I mean, I love Barbie dolls, but I'm not really into watching Barbie like something. But I have couple Barbie DVD from on a previous Barbie's short movie. So nakita ko to dati sa Walmart few months ago, and I asked my husband to buy, and he said no. So yeah, and then when I come back after, I don't know, a month, hindi ko na siya nakita after few months. And then recently, when I was working at napadaan ako dun sa toy area, nakita ko to dun sa Walmart na pinagtatrabahuan ko, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna buy that tonight before I leave. So I did got it. I finally have her. Look at the dress. She's so pretty. The pink, you know, that, I don't know what do you call it, like a pink and white combination. Gusto ko siyang buksan pero ayokong sirain yung box, guys. Ito yung lady, oh, I don't even know her name. The one who played Barbie in the Barbie the movie. Greetings from Barbie Land. Wishing you the best day ever. Margot? Her name is Margot? Margot? Huh? I'm not even sure. But I do love Barbies. If may nakita akong Barbie na, not all the Barbie doll I see in Walmart I really wanna buy. It's like very rare sometimes when I love the dress. Gusto ko yung mukha niya kasi iba-iba naman ang face ni Barbie. So, and I'm so happy, and this is by the way $24.99. It's not bad. Parang self-gift ko na rin siya kasi this week, for this week, 1 week of work. So, parang self-gift ko na rin siya. She's so pretty. Her shoes, I can't really see what's the color of her shoes. It's a pink shoes. It's a pink stiletto shoes. Or pump. Diba ang ganda? Yung necklace niya at saka yung, ano ba tawag dito? Yung belt niya is matchy-matchy. And yung ano niya, white and pink combination is very pretty. Yung suot ko ngayon na Barbie is like a black or pink, but meron din siyang white. But this is the prettiest white and pink and white color combination in a dress. Marami ako nakitang artista, I think si Kim Chu, nung nag-host siya one time sa Showtime, yung parang yung top at saka yung ano, yung palda niya, parang ganito yung ano, ganito yung color, ganito rin yung style na may pa checkered na white na ganyan. Ang ganda, guys. Sobrang ganda. At saka sobrang ganda ni Barbie. With blonde hair. Na may pink ribbon siya. Diba? She's so pretty. I can't get enough of her. Ang ganda. And if you don't have one yet, and if you love Barbie, and check it out at Walmart. Walmart, if you have Walmart, if you live here in the US, and if you have Walmart nearby, if you love Barbie, I think sulit siya for, I don't know, 1,300 pesos. I'm going to keep them while I'm still alive. I don't have children, so I don't know where they're gonna go. My nieces will be grown up by then because they're already teenager, and I don't know if they're gonna love dolls like I am. So I have a lot of Barbie dolls. They're unopened. So let's see kung kanino sila mapupunta when I get tired of them. But I plan to keep them while I'm still alive until I get old. I just love looking at them. I think it's a good collection. And yeah, I finally have her. I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this purchase. It's not too bad. It's $24.99. It's very affordable. So yun lang ang vlog ko for today, guys. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe. And see you next time. God bless you guys.